All right, we finally got everybody here. We got a couple out-of-towners. There's going to be a race in Johnsonville at King of the Motos next week. So, yeah, Zach Darnell's here. We got Q out here, Cooler Joe, and then, of course, Brent and Richard, the usual suspects. Today, we're going to be on the F18 down there. And then I'm going to be loaning that guy, that X-Way right there, to Zach. And then we're gonna go hit the trails. We're out here at Greer. Send it, brother. Welcome to the Roger channel, Zach Darnell.
Hi.
How was your drive?
My ride was magical.
Magical? Did you go back to magical Disneyland?
I did when I picked up our next victim.
He's a victim?
He has no idea what he's getting himself into.
Oh. Well, the first trail we're doing is going to be nice, and then the second trail, it might take you out.
he brought a lazy rolling because he thinks he's going to be tumbling down the mountain.
Oh, okay, that's good. Yeah, pads are good.
The track's like 3 tracks.
Oh, it looks good. You'll be fine.
Yeah, he's good. Don't pay attention to him.
Yeah, everyone's going to be safe. It's going to be fine. Hey, look at that. All right, we're just about ready to get rolling. Look at everybody in their beautiful gear.
Matt, are we on comms or are we just chilling?
I don't have a comm thingy in my helmet.
Okay, just curious.
But I can yell like a little girl when there's like a jump coming up or something.
It don't matter, I'm just that works too, I guess.
Yeah.
You got one, you got one, I got one. You should get one.
Nah.
Nice, bro. I mostly use it for music, but it's nice to be able to talk to people. When
I have them in my road helmets, but not my off-road helmets.
I was like you once. I can't go back.
It's definitely helpful for when you get lost in the mountains and like you can't find anybody, but you can hear them.
I literally just stop and start yelling, Richard, Brent.
Yeah.
There's nowhere to go on most of these trails once you drop in.
I'm not tripping. I'm usually blasting music, so
it cuts the music so you can hear them and brings
Ah.
the music back.
That's a bummer. I want the music all the time.
I listen to music. I can't hear shit sometimes.
I'm gonna say something really loud right before I'm like going off a jump. Like, oh, what?
That's just added spice.
What did you say? And then just eat shit.
Everybody remember to lock your cars. Why won't it make the beep? All right. We'll roll up there nice and easy. We might do the little uphill challenge thingy. And then, yeah, we're gonna get on jumping mounts first, then we'll take them up to the technical trails. Yoop. Whoa, that sounds weird. Was that your bearings?
Yeah.
Crazy. Does anyone care to try to go up this, or you guys just not care?
I'm going.
Really good warm up.
Content fishing, I see that camera.
You got it.
Got it.
Yeah, that's the crux right there.
Oh,
Okay, usually if you make it up that little spot, you get the rest of it.
he's still going. Oh shit.
It won't turn off.
I'm with that guy.
I have a line. We'll see if it works. Oh, he's coming down. I'm when I go up, I'll probably stay up there.
Yeah, you go around the back.
X-Way power! But it's only 134 volts. How can it do that? Yeah, get it, bro.
Yeah. Come on, boy. That's my son.
That's my boy.
That's my boy right there.
You my boy, Q.
Oh, Q, I love you.
Dang, Joe's tiptoeing up that shit.
My cat's a little looser.
You see all that years practicing on the cooler?
Yeah.
Joe has developed the steed.
Yeah. All right, so Q's got a valve stem issue. Richard's gonna wait for him, and we're all gonna wait for him, but in another location.
Okay, I like that.
That's beer and dubs.
Yeah.
Oh fuck, you're recording.
Now I am.
We have lollipops and ice cream.
Yeah, that's right. Wait, put your helmet on, Joe.
Helmet to protect your head.
We ready to shreddy? Nice little warm-up run, not too many rocks, lots of jumps, super fun, nice and flowy, get your speed going. Here's a long boy! The step up?
Yeah, no, the second double.
Oh yeah, yeah. Did it scare him?
Yeah, it scared the hell out of me.
Did he just over clear the shit out of it?
He did it. He cleared it. He fucking almost went off the left side of the landing.
Oh shit.
He like kind of hesitated, and I was like, "It's fucking huge, go!"
You gotta go.
That was fucking awesome.
Hell yeah. Yeah, I think he's just like, if they're doing it, I can do it.
That's what he was falling. Yeah.
Yeah, dude, fucking go for it, bro.
Bigger shit on his cooler.
Dude.
Hell yeah, dude.
Fucking dude, I landed off the side of the giant catching front like that fucking
Oh, fuck.
chunk in the middle. I was up like fucking
Sick,
gnarly,
dude.
dude, fucking beautiful jump though.
Ah. Jump over here. Hell yeah. Nice little warm-up run. We're just gonna regroup back here at the cars. I think Q's gonna switch wheels. That's cool that he brought two. And then, yeah, we'll get back. Probably do jumping a mouse again so that he has a chance to do it. And then we'll head up and go do overdrive, underdrive, whatever else we want to do. All right, Q's got a new wheel, so we can go riding again now. Probably go do jumping mouse again, and then we go up the mountain, all the hills.
We're going now, Matt.
We're gonna go do that one again, so you get a chance to actually ride it.
Oh, fuck yeah, appreciate it.
If you're watching this video, this is a good lesson as to why not to buy a unicycle. You'll experience issues like this more often than not.
Sucked up some rocks and bent my valve stem straight.
Yep.
And now it clips the battery box.
Just one little rock.
Wait,
one little rock.
wait.
Pull that.
Oh, right there, yeah, that's not good.
Yeah. And that's the right one too. That's the one that, like, you know, the tube goes like this and then bends on the
Here,
inside
let's
of the tube.
deflate this. Move the.
Yeah,
tube
it
and
looks
get
like
the
you
pump.
could do that. It looks like it's like favoring one side a lot. At least this one we could pump back up.
Yeah.
I think, I hope.
No, I think you should.
Yeah, sorry for being the bottleneck, guys.
No, you're good. All right, so right when we rectified Q's situation, Joe had a mishap with his valve stem. That's crazy. Don't buy 16-inch wheels. Yeah, it's crazy. Zach was just saying when you look at Joe's V14, it's all jacked up and looks like a Franken wheel, but it runs perfectly fine except for this valve stem situation. All right, jumping mouse round 2 with the boys. Oh yeah. What did I do? Should I follow this time instead of lead? Let's see if anyone's down to lead. They might want me to show them speed. I'm not trying to rhyme, I promise. Oh, what the fuck was that?
Cutout angle.
What was that?
Is your cutout angle up?
Alright, I'm ready.
Wait, turn your cutoff angle up.
Oh yeah, I'm thinking of my pad nest. I forgot what I set this one at.
Does anyone want to lead this time?
Huh?
Do you want to lead,
I'll
Zach?
give it a whirl.
Okay.
What happened? Oh, lead?
I'm gonna chase Zachy Poo.
Oh shit, okay.
Though I might chicken out on one of them because I don't remember what the landing looks like.
Yeah, that big one towards the end is what I remember. I remember Roger chickened out on it.
Yeah.
I wanna beat Roger.
No, we got Roger to do like pretty much all of them except the second and third one right here.
Like a little dip. It's cool.
I had started recording right when that happened, so I wonder if I got it or not.
Oh, probably best that you didn't get it.
Okay, Zach, following your lead.
Alright.
Give him a little bit of space. Oh, I got the rattle. Go deep! We go right? Baby jumps. Go right. And then the next is left. Yep, yep, yep.
Yeah, Q might miss that. Hold on.
Is Q with us?
We'll wait right here for him.
All right.
And we'll stop at the road down there. I think you just wanted to hit that last jump.
I gotta ask, why are you riding that wheel?
What? I like it.
Why?
What? What do you mean?
I want to know why.
Have you ridden it?
A little bit.
Have you ridden one? I like it.
Just give me.
I like the firmware.
Notes.
I really like the firmware in the corners.
Okay.
And I like how I can make the suspension pretty much feel exactly how I want.
Okay.
Like I noticed the difference when I went from 170 to 167 PSI in the forks. Like I was like, oh, that was exactly what I needed. Not like a huge change, but like 3 PSI in each fork. And it was like, that's where I want to be. I could really feel it.
All right.
Yeah. Yeah, I like it. I like the Apex again with that special sauce on it. Now the Apex is like really good again. And it has more travel, so it does feel like smoother, but sometimes the firmware just trips me up a little bit. Yeah. With the X-Way at Amp this year, I was getting stuck toes down.
Yeah.
And it even cut out because it was so nose forward.
Nice.
I was like, I'm just gonna trust it. It keeps doing this. I gotta fucking race this wheel. I'll just trust it. And then I trust it. I pushed into that shit and it just cut out on me.
Yep.
And I fucking like broke my camera into my wrist. So I didn't trust that wheel for that.
Okay, the Thunderdome is a true test of a wheel.
Yeah,
So
because you're
far,
going really
no
fast
Goat
with
wheel
G's.
has been able to keep up with a Kingsong.
I did a Lynx.
Lynx, the Leaper Kim, does a better job in the berms than Begode. But you'll have to compensate with how it adjusts into the berms.
Yeah, and that's why I went from the Apex to the Lynx, because it has like less suspension, so it's like a little bit less of a variable, less changing in the corners. And I was like, I don't really need a lot of suspension for Thunderdome.
No, really
so it was just the Lynx.
You just have to be clean.
Yeah.
Yep. I got track records on both sides of the Lynx.
What's up?
Yeah. But I only got 3rd place because they ran it weird.
How'd they run it?
So like, because in my semifinals, I wasn't fast enough because I had an issue with my wheel, but I was still able to make it into finals, but I wasn't able to make it into like the 1st and 2nd bracket of the finals. So I was not able to race for 1st place. I could only race for 3rd or 4th.
Oh.
It was like a weird bracket system thing.
Yeah.
So like, I got the fastest time, but I was 3rd place.
I never really understood until you just explained it now.
Yeah.
That makes a lot of sense.
Yeah. If you want to take a look at the initial part right here and then decide if you want to go that way or if you want to cut it out, you can totally like skip this little spot, but I always just let everybody make their own decision about it.
Dude, this is scary. I want to do it.
Okay, cool. So my biggest advice to you is like, you'll be fine. You can stay kind of in the rut right here. Yeah. But the thing is, like, right past this like tombstone rock, you want to stay kind of on the left, even though you could go off the trail, because there's a rock that you'll like end up pedal clipping on the right here.
Okay, I see.
Yeah, and then eventually when we go, we're gonna go to where those people are, and then we're gonna take the trail that's on the right that says there's like an arrow pointing left, and then there's an arrow pointing right where they are. They're kind of in front of the sign.
Right.
Yeah, and we're gonna go right at that sign.
Yeah.
And it says overdrive.
There's kind of 2 trails you can go on if you want to go on the right one. Okay.
And we'll go at like a friendly group pace right now. We're not gonna go balls to the wall. But let's make sure that all that people are out of the way. Is everybody ready? All right, let's get it. Remember, stay left at the scary rock down there. Try to keep everybody together nice and good. We'll just speed up when we have to. Like right here. Whee! Big toilet bowl turn. Stay on that rock right there. Jump's coming! There's 3. Yeah. There's Brent. Where Q at? You think Q's okay? Can you see him still? Oh, we're going too slow for this thing now. I'm gonna wait for Q right here. Whew. Just in case they have another wheel. Oh, hi, Brent.
Hi, Brent.
Rip the jump! Yeah! Oh, he just went into the bushes. he didn't make the berm at the end of those doubles. Nice.
I was like, I'm gonna go over into this steep lip. Bush was my fault.
Oh yeah, yeah. There's a lot of nice bushes, friendly bushes out here.
Very friendly. They did poke me.
Yeah. All right, now we're gonna mix it up and do Distortion halfway down, then we're gonna go up, and then we're gonna do Nerf Herder, and then we're gonna either do Insidious or TMB.
And after that, we're gonna do your mom.
Oh, it's getting a little breezy. That's nice.
I like the cool breeze between my knees.
Yeah. All right, they're not going this way. Are we ready? Get some speed for these little jumps. Oh man, that one's all worn out. Second one's still all right, little drop. Phew. Sorry if I'm a little quiet. I usually just don't talk as much when I'm riding with people. I usually talk a lot more when I'm by myself because it's like I'm talking to myself and I'm alone, and I just think that I'm talking to the channel. But yeah, when I have people around, I feel weird sometimes talking to myself and they can hear me. They think I'm talking to them. But I guess I'm all alone right now. Let's slow down a little bit. We'll get a ball, Zach. Q said he's down to do the hard way, so yeah. That means we don't have to do any deviations. We're just gonna go do the gnarly shit.
Which is the way up? Is it here?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then if you want to go to like Overdrive and where we came from, you'd go left right when you get through this trail. And then there's some more trails though if you go to the right too. But yeah, there'll be a little T in just like 1 minute if you go that way. Yeah, this is like the rest of a downhill. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Thanks, y'all.
Yeah.
I was tripping out. Looking at you guys from here, I was like,
what the hell? With their hands up.
It looked like a bike. Makes sense now. Those things are pretty badass. They could go off road like that.
Yeah, that's sick.
Oh yeah, have fun.
Later, man.
Yeah, you too.
Have a good one. Hour of the vag. We can't drop in until the GoPro's recording. Or the not GoPro. That's what we were literally just talking about. I had like no speed for that long jump. We did it anyway though. Fuck it. Whoa, a butterfly hit me.
Okay, that first one got me by surprise.
Yeah, I was going way too slow.
Yeah.
You want to lead and we'll do it one more again?
Might as well.
Now we all know what's coming. We're gonna do it again so we know what's coming and everything.
Yep.
Yeah. All right, Zach, whenever you're ready.
Okay.
Oh shit! Fuck, dude! I did not want to case that like that. Oh my god! That was a good test of the F18. Yeah, what we did was way scarier than going for it.
Like redemption?
If you want redemption, I'm down.
I want to follow you off because I can't.
Okay.
You're right. It's a butthole pucker.
I don't want to gap it.
We're gonna go one more again. I think that means he did it.
Yeah, definitely overshot that one.
That's better than coming up short. Okay, this is gonna be probably the most technical riding we're gonna do today.
Bro, if I fall, I fall. I don't care.
Let's get it.
You should care.
Oh! Oh no no no! Yee! Hell yeah! Yeah. I think he kind of like jumped off the back of the wheel. Rode it one-footed for a second. That was wild. He like stepped off kind of mid-drop.
Oh really?
Yeah, he's good.
This has jumps at the bottom, yeah?
Woo! No, that's TMB that you're thinking. Yeah, you'll be fine. But the jumps are on TMB, not this one.
Oh, gotcha. Did they pick them up yet?
Probably not. Probably at that bottleneck. That bottleneck's kind of scary to commit to. What? Ah, my throat's so dry. I need some H2O.
You need ice cold beer.
Yeah, that too.
You know, on a day like today when there's no moisture in the air and all this dust, it really makes the man want a beer. Smoke a cigarette.
Oh, my camera died. One of these last like big kind of turned, my foot came off.
Yeah.
And I just fucking skateboarded down the whole thing like.
Hell yeah. Just don't go down.
That's hilarious.
You.
Gotta run it more though.
I think I still run it.
Hell yeah. Do we want to go up and do TMB now?
I'm done.
Yeah, definitely a great wheel for torque.
Yeah.
In terms of 16-inch, man, the clearance is awful.
Yeah.
These rocks are definitely not made for my clearance, especially when I go down.
Yeah.
If I go down into another patch of rocks,
Mm-hmm.
all the way down, my pedals are like an inch down.
Yeah.
And that's worse.
What are you trying to do now?
I'm kind of pooped out. What are you guys wanting to do? I can like cruise.
I'm down to do whatever they're down to do.
It don't matter.
Fucking-
Do you want to do TMB now? That other trail that starts at the top that has those jumps at the end?
I don't know, man.
That may or may not be hittable right
That
now?
one's gnarly too, yeah.
I don't care.
I'm down for whatever.
I'm down to just run jumping mouse all goddamn day.
We could do that too.
I'm always down for another jump.
Well, let's check out Plan B, see if anything new's been added.
We can go hit a couple of jumps that are like right here too before we go back up the hill.
I'll follow you.
All right, later, Brent.
All right. See you later. Yeah.
See ya. Make sure we all stay together before the splits. Yoo-hoo!
Grab my tire.
Ah!
Chunky boy.
Okay, I think the crux is coming up right here, so we'll wait for Q. And then we'll drop into it.
Cue him out of there.
Yeah, so I can't remember if you've done this part or not.
You ever been up there?
Yeah.
On like the mountain?
I ride my motorcycle here too. I've been all over this place.
Sure.
Yeah. All right, let's get it. Oh. Damn, the bikes have fucked that shit up good. Yeah. That long, like, sandy channel right before the rock channel used to not be like that at all. Woo! Hell yeah.
Messed up my run, but I'm good.
If you want to take a peek around this, there's a fence gap right here.
What is it? Like something on hand or just something in the way?
I'll be right back. Oh fuck!
Why would I fucking?
You did it. You did good. You didn't cut out.
Dude, did you see? I feel like you got a clear shot of how.
No, yeah, you got to do the first one.
The lip.
Yeah. Yeah, Q. You're my boy, Q. Yeah, there you go. Rather go long than short every day. We need a little bit of speed to keep going down the trail, so let's start here. There's a jump like... Oh, you can do that as much as you want, yeah.
I can film you, or I can film you, Zach.
Whee! Whee! Fuck yeah. All right. Yeah, that next jump, if you make it, it's like the fucking turn comes up so quick. Watch out for that. Oh! Wah! Oh, I love this trail. So good. Get pitted in the corners. That's where the F18 comes alive, is in them corners and on the jumps. Still good in the rocks, but if I have to admit, there are better wheels for rocks. Just being 1000% honest. And that's just math. 130 is more than 110. Yeah.
That was fun.
Yeah, dude. I love that trail. We haven't hit that in a while. And now we're right next to Jumping Mouse, so we might as well do that on our way out and go drink a beer.
I like that plan.
It's a good plan. I think we'll all make it till tomorrow if we do that plan. Hitting Jumping Mouse one more time to cap off the day. Let's get some big air, boys. Long boy. Tall and long boy. Right into that berm. Woo! I think Zach probably got it and then was like, whoa, that berm. Well, there's footprints. That's weird. Hopefully not anyone walking down this right now. Another long boy! Whee! Should we pop the foot out on this one? I think we should. Yee-hoo! Go deep. Oh yeah, Q's keeping up real good this time. I think we can probably pop a foot out on this step up too. I think we go for it for sure. And we're back at the cars! Hey!
Dude, that one's just too fun to smash down.
I love it. It's so good now that they built landings. When it was all to flat, you were just like breaking wheels. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was not breaking anyone's bones at Greer. I hope you enjoyed the ride. Go follow Zach's channel. Unsubscribe from my channel immediately. Buy Begodes. Begodes are the best wheels.
What are you talking about?
Just kidding, Begodes are crap. I'm losing my damn mind after all that trail riding.
God damn it. Trying to turn into a Roger video.
Yeah. Well, I can't talk to myself that much. He has a gift. Roger, we miss you. I'm excited to ride with you tomorrow, Roger.
Damn it. Do it again. I'm down.
Yeah. Yeah, tomorrow's gonna be sick. You.